Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. In the previous video, I mentioned that I had 13 plants that I wanted to start for spring, and the 13th one is actually already started now. Some tomato plants that I propagated, and I didn't go into detail very much. So I think in this video, I'm going to show you what I meant by that. These are the 4 plants that I was speaking of. Now, I had tomato plants, a Sweet 100 and a beefsteak tomato growing inside my grow tent in the house. I harvested some tomatoes off of those, and then the plants, I removed them. But in the process of removing them, I decided to see if I could propagate some of them. So what I did was cut some of the plants from one node going up. And if you remember, on each tomato plant, it has these fine little hairs. Those hairs are actually roots. So if you place it in a container like I have here and fill that container with water, what you will actually get is a bunch of roots that will start to form. This one I'm going to fill back up with more water so I can see if I can get those roots to go back down. But here in these 4 plants, you can see the roots. And that's actually a good thing. You can take, after these have formed, you can actually take these out into your garden or a container and plant them. And remember, tomato plants can be planted very deeply. So you can literally plant all the way up to here, and the plant will survive and grow. Now, with these 4 plants, I'm not going to plant them just yet because it's still too cool in my area to do that. So I'm going to try to nurse them alone by keeping them in the water bottles. I know I'm going to have a lot of roots. I may plant them into a container and keep them inside the grow tent, but hopefully I can keep them going along into my frost date passes, which is anywhere from March 11th to March 20th. And then I can bring them out and plant them. So, as I said, it was going to be a real short, quick video explaining my steps I took for the propagation of my tomato plants. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of vegetables by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell all, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my video, your family and friends will also, so please share. Until next time, always remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a great amount of food for yourself and your family. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow. Lastly, and most importantly, always give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing.